fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Kit, Kate, why aren't you playing with your friends?
The sun went down.
It's too dark for hide and seek.
Yeah. It turned into hide and seek and crash into each other.
We'll finish tomorrow.
But what are we going to do for fun till then?
Why don't we make up a story?
About a bat.
Who doesn't like the night?
And we can call it Bernie the Bat.
Once upon a time lived Bernie the Bat. The other bats were nocturnal, but not Bernie.
What's nocturnal mean?
Active at night.
Hey, Bernie, I'm gonna go hunt Nipsey flies. Wanna come?
Nah, not my thing.
Well, how about bat acrobatics?
No thanks.
All right, then go with me to the group swoop.
Pass.
Well, what do you like to do?
Bernie the Bat liked to collect puddle water.
And he liked to make pickles, too.
But most of all, he loved to dance the cha-cha-cha.
Oh, yes, it's true that most bats like the night. But I'm a bat that digs the light. I don't mind the bright rays of the sun that shine on me while I have fun. Cha-cha-cha!
What a weirdo.
Always alone.
It's hard to believe he's a bat. Poor Bernie. He's lonely.
And afraid of the dark, like me. I mean, sometimes.
We should help Bernie not be scared.
So he can stay up late.
And have lots of bat friends. Go, kitties, let's go! Kit and Kate are here.
To help Bernie the Bat conquer fear.
Here's a nightlight.
It'll help you feel safer.
Oh, thanks, but really,
Now, hold hands with us.
I will fight my fear of the night.
I will fight
my fear of the night.
Imagine the moon is your friend.
Now, breathe deeply.
Are you feeling peaceful and calm yet?
Hey, our friend the moon just disappeared behind the clouds.
It is kind of creepy in the woods at night.
Let's get out of here.
Calm down.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
there's nothing to be scared of. I'm not afraid.
You're not?
No, I just prefer the day. Now let me get some sleep so I can collect puddle water tomorrow. It's the height of the season. Walk that way. You'll be out of here in no time.
Bernie's still alone.
Aw, he's never gonna make any bat friends.
Good morning.
Shh! Go back to sleep, will ya?
I thought owls were nocturnal.
What's that mean?
Active at night.
Well, Olan sure isn't. She's one odd owl.
Doesn't care about head rotation or feather fluffing competitions.
They're boring.
She likes to collect puddle water.
It's fun. And make pickles. Gross. They're delicious.
And dance the cha-cha-cha?
How did you know?
There's someone you have to meet. Bernie, this is Olan.
Pleasure to meet you.
There's no reason bats have to only stick with bats and owls with owls.
You two have so many things in common.
And that's how Bernie the Bat and Olan the Owl became the bestest friends.
Oh, yes, it's true. You're a bird and I'm a bat. But being friends is where it's at. Anytime we play, it's ha-ha-ha. And every time we dance, it's cha-cha-cha.
So you see, you don't have to change who you are to fit in.
Right, because there are others somewhere who like what you do.
All you have to do is go out there and find them. So that is how our story ends, with a bat and an owl as daytime friends.
Cha-cha-cha.
Go, 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 go. Where will we go? Who will we meet? What will we do? Who will we see? It's sure we fly. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitty, kitties, let's go. Ooh, is that a flying carpet?
Nope, just a regular rug for your bedroom. Aren't the colors pretty?
If it doesn't fly, what does it do?
It covers the floor. Come, kittens. Feel how soft it is.
Can you take it back?
Take it back? Why? Don't you want it?
What good is a carpet that can't fly?
Good point. I'll bring it back tomorrow. But before I roll it up, let's all sit here and make up a story.
Okay, about a jigglebug.
A jigglebug. What's her name?
I know. Gigi the Jigglebug.
Once upon a time, on the planet Zebulon, there lived two best friends, Gigi the Jigglebug
That's me.
and her best friend, Juju.
We're the best friends ever.
Gigi and Juju would spend every day playing together and having fun. They would
Raise up the walls and across the ceiling.
Light up their antennas and dance to the music.
Jiggle, jiggle bugs, wiggle, jiggle bugs. Jiggle, jaggle, wiggle, waggle, jiggle, jiggle bugs.
and fly high in the sky and do loop-the-loops. But one day, Juju said,
I'll see you next week, Gigi. I'm going to my grandma's. But who will I play with?
She can play with us.
Yeah, we can be friends with Gigi.
Go, kitty kitties, let's go!
I wonder if this planet has doorbells.
Look, it's Gigi.
Hello, visitors from another planet. Do you want to play with me?
You read our minds.
Yeah, weird. How'd you do that? I'm so glad I have new friends. Let's raise up the walls and across the ceiling. We can't do that. We're kittens. You are? Oh, well, that's all right. Do you like to dance?
We love to dance.
Good. Let's all light up our antennas and dance the jigglebug dance.
Jiggle, jiggle bugs, wiggle, jiggle bugs. Jiggle, jaggle, wiggle, waggle, jiggle, jiggle.
Hey, what's the matter? We can't do that either. You can't? Why not?
We're just kittens.
We don't have antennas. Yeah, I see. Well, that's okay. We'll just fly loop-the-loops. Do you want to tell her, or should I? Tell me what?
We're just kittens.
And you can't fly. What good are new friends if they can't even fly? I wish I could only play with my best friend, Juju. Wow!
Gigi! Are you okay?
Did you hurt yourself?
I banged my antenna, my arm, and my leg.
Can you do this?
Yeah.
Can you do this?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Why? What does it mean?
It means you can still do the jigglebug dance.
That's right! I can!
Jiggle, jiggle bugs, wiggle, jiggle bugs. Jiggle, jaggle, wiggle, waggle, jiggle, jiggle bugs. Jiggle, jiggle bugs, wiggle, jiggle bugs. Jiggle, jaggle, wiggle, waggle, jiggle, jiggle bugs.
Maybe you can't do the things I do with Juju, but you can still make me feel good. I guess that means you really are my new friends.
And so Gigi the Jigglebug realized she should appreciate her new friends for what they can do, not for what they can't.
That was a great story.
Glad you liked it. Now, everybody off the rug. Time to roll it up.
Aw, do you have to take it back? It's so soft and warm.
And the colors are really pretty.
That's true, but it doesn't fly.
Yeah, but it's great for sitting on.
And making up stories.
Well, all right, but no space boots on the carpet.